some important things to do, when you're out in the sun in the summertime. Certainly, I think the first thing people think about is sunscreen, right? We want to protect our children from sunburn and any kind of rashes that might come up from prolonged sun exposure. So you want to make sure that you're liberally applying sunscreen to your kids, head to toe, anything that's going to be exposed to sunlight. And preferably you're doing that a good 20 or 30 minutes before you go out into the sun to give it time to activate and really get absorbed. If you can wear any kind of clothing that is lightweight, breathable, that can add an extra layer of sun protection, that's awesome. Love a hat. I'm always putting my kids in hats. The wider the brim, the better, so you get more shade and protection on the face. If you're going out in the water, they make those sun shirts. That's always a great option to have one of those on, because you really need to be reapplying sunscreen every 2 hours. If you're out at the beach all day, you can set a timer for yourself, or just say, I'm going to do it on the 2s or something, so you can keep track of it. But if the kids have been out in the water, make sure you get them up in a shaded area, dry them off, and then reapply that sunscreen. And obviously you're reapplying less sunscreen if you've got some a long shirt on, but you still want to make sure you're covering the face even if you've got a hat on.